You are bushing for an emre dem makwa back in sports or YouTube, King Sports or TikTok. They say, we share video now, we share now, like and also subscribe, and your money in a quay. I was a form saying, because a fabulous, I know I just the best, fabulous, the best, fabulous, who come up, ma, up in Baba. Young name says season, but we come as and talk for, and you may be brain or more to send a bay. Team be ready for next season. Nneɛma bebree na egu n'akwan mu a wɔtoto nneɛma sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ nneɛma bɛda n'akwan so players recruitment coaching styles management kyerɛ sɛ obiara every aspect of the team ne nyinaa no wɔn make board ne make sure sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ adwuma na nneɛma akɔ yie ɛde ama ɛyɛ kumase korɔbea asante kɔtɔkɔ the best mɛtɛɛma boys na abusuafo wɔ de last week na mɛde bɛto dwa sɛ kumase asante kɔtɔkɔ ɛnkyɛ wɔn bɛpaw ɛyɛ sporting director on be pow sporting director obey adwuma de ama korɔbea asante kɔtɔkɔ saa news yi break ma mo last week say enter last week man we yensi new week mu no kɔtɔkɔ will make an appointment of new sporting director abusuafoɔ ɛnɛ ya kɔtɔkɔ press release a ɔmo de aba say Asante Kotoko Sporting Club appoint Stanley Purl Menzo as director of football. Asante Kotoko Sporting Club appoint Stanley Purl Menzo as director of football. Yeah, the news we brought last week. Na ne ya Kotoko a breaking news. Na the press release aba. In further effort at rebuilding Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, the board of directors has appointed Mr. Stanley Purl Menzo as the director of football for the club effective immediately. The appointment forms part of the club's long-term strategy to strengthen its technical leadership, modernize its football operations, and restore the Porcupine Warriors to the summit of domestic and continental football. The 62-year-old Dutch joined the Porcupine Warriors with one of the most impressive football resumes ever associated with the club. Himself a distinguished football manager and an accomplished former professional goalkeeper, he spent 10 full seasons as a player at AFC Ajax, where he made more than 300 official appearances and won 9 major titles. Mr. Menzo was regarded as one of the first goalkeepers capable of contributing as an outfield player, a forward-thinking, ball-playing philosophy that helped shape the modern game. Nti abusuafo we ne nsɛm kakra ɛfa ɛyɛ Purl Menzo Stanley Purl Menzo we ne nsɛm kakra a ɛfa ne ho. Ɔsi in further effort to rebuilding Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, the board of directors has appointed Mr. Stanley Purl Menzo as the director of football for the club effective immediately. It means and then or starting or shed a jumas and then Paul Stanley Menzo Stanley Purl Menzo or starting a juma effective immediately. The appointment forms part of Kotoko Club long-term strategy to strengthen the technical leadership, modernize its football operations, and restore the Porcupine Warriors to the summit of domestic and continental. That appointment wa Kotoko there is all best strength Kotoko leadership no na modern football like we modernize the strategy of Kumasi Asante Kotoko call for few years and I say yes we in baby I do Kumasi Asante Kotoko modern ball Kumasi Asante Kotoko do both domestic and continental because continental trophy is there Kumasi Asante Kotoko GBH Omoji Biache. Into this appointment forms part of the board director's strategy to strengthen the leadership of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes. Just say appointment when yes Kotoko and then they are looking forward future where they can take Kumasi Asante Kotoko to the future of Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then the board of directors and say Stanley Purl Menzo edu Kumasi Asante Kotoko beko kudu. Nti me break mam last week na me say obi send him message of YouTube na story out the buy say the appointment has not been done and neither one. So Stanley Purl Menzo has been appointed as sporting director or director of football for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. For another appointment, Richard Osei Akoto has also been appointed as administrative manager of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, Richard Osei Akoto has been appointed as the administrative manager of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Two appointments na ba ene here ye ni je semi ye papa de ma eye krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ye bompa is this appointment ebe boana ya tutu nyoma ye administratively, the leadership, the coaching staff, the players, na ya forming a formidable team able to compete both continental and domestic trophies. Kotoko ya bre. And I said this time, we'll make sure say Kumasi Asante Kotoko will get to where Kumasi Asante is supposed to be. Kotoko must be great again. I said this time we are going on hashtag Kotoko must be great again because we've suffered for these past seasons. Yeninje for the past seasons. Yehu Kotoko ye for the past seasons. Kotoko ani yenim this time yehu the side for the past seasons. Inti empire boy yebone say this board of directors, these administrative managers, coaching staffs, sporting directors, director of football, omba tutu nyoma yomdo krobia besi baby yenim say krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nie. Not domestically, not enye Ghana hankwa, continentally. Ewiase ina be say no Kumasi Asante Kotoko asan fan ntoma pa e de afra say ne yepa ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We don't want to be crying, we don't want to be like bobina again ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye. Me yempa e bon say Kumasi Krobia Asante Kotoko metema will be great again. Kumasi Asante Kotoko must be great again. So we are wishing him all the best. We'll give him all the support. We'll give him whatever he needs for him to deliver for Eye Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. For him to deliver for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Because for some appointment, I make one saying, Richardo Suarez Pepe. Richardo Suarez Pepe. A detail of this appointment. Mummy and Coach Richardo Suarez Pepe. Ebasan baby.
Kometema. The kind and say, Urum Asante Kotoko ya. This week, you expect announcements and appointments. Makacho say football director no is already in town.
Yes.
Official announcement Asante Kotoko ebeye no match the extent of adwuma or beye ni bibia no krobia Asante Kotoko edebeba. But ye di kan akache odada. Abusua?
Yes sir.
And the new any Asante Kotoko board of directors appointed Richard Osei Akoto. So on trust on Juma as the administrative manager for the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Fantastic.
Richard Osei Akoto Kabiru. Fa Akoto a 2 page so na omomnim no Akoto. In fact, in the last 3 years, he's been very active at the club. Minimum Akoto Kotoko under Samuel Opokunti time no. Vams up by Dr. Kekis upon time. And Opokunti time no. Ebra IMC eba for be Canada administrative manager no Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi.
Yeah.
Dasuberi. Meltmaka say Akoto asua a lot at the free ura no. In fact Asante Kotoko nei ura mo na Kotoko player registration TMS no so any F system no nipa okoso Richard Akoto. Experience ye ebi kro ura ni yipa. Na ono na yebetimi aka say the board of directors of Asante Kotoko one are appointed as the administrative manager for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Nice one.
As a board no omo changes maybe any other board not take you over as say be omo form no foforo everything is anew.
Yeah.
And to already other Richard Osei Akoto ye confirm has say going forward board ni mfie mbedie no se bibia akoyi a wono na ya Asante Kotoko administrative manager na adwuma oba de omomunim no enim no.
Fantastic.
Iti Akoto, congratulations to you on your appointment as Asante Kotoko's administrative manager. Our bojuma Ediama Asante Kotoko. Absapanya expecting se enche mpanyifo announce technical director ni wia coach no
Okay.
assistant coach team manager
Nice one.
these are positions that it remains vacant at Kotoko.
Yes.
The rest of the technical team no kra no based on nkoma course so e man mpanyfo break team no metuma ka je na Kotoko bianya work out of Kotoko biem bosome ya ye ball league ni ye na eme yo
Yeah.
so mpanyfo tua ka wia June players on my contracted in the omoka
Yes.
but technical team ni ade no omno obi ani contract entiafe no be appointment na ade abana mpanyfo ababe adwuma ade ama the club Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
So this is what we can review on filler time. Akoto appointment no mpanyfo agiatum technical or football director na say sporting director ne no enche official announcement ne beba then omba be technical team no adwuma omo ye say adwuma no wo technical front no in terms of the management of Kotoko last week me be catch us enkofo sending mails at the Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
But as at that time now Richard Akoto any right so obi Kotoko mail no esan say the juma di obedi ma Asante Kotoko no season ba wie ya krate free man shaba chese na season ba wie ya im se juma ba wie na Akoto so juma ba wie.
Yes.
But they said he has the mandate it will be mail no obi ma for now, CEO, anywhere general manager, he will deal directly with the board.
Nice one.
Either through the board secretary, Alex, Kofi Usu, and now say, obey through the special assistant of the board chairman, and I say, however, obey get it to the board, no, into obey BM. Now, me catch us, deal be every baby ba, every American ever, you be Joe.
Yes.
Around $500,000 to $800,000 so Akoto biem na sabe toma obebom panyfo amane na panyfo acha no reply afako ka chom say yenton ka chom say beton but $1.5 million ka chom say say no atworo no de amom clubs are omasha agents are wonum ade omo interest Kotoko players ho a due for a branch thing ade Badu, the midfielder, Prince Badu, $100,000. No, I won't pay for money. Yes, a man about Omzo. If you quite ignore, maybe you Kotoko is Swazani, the player, 100,000. Obisu or Person for Johnson upon Usu. Ni propose and said Johnson, no. What was a 1% of Pamano? And the club was only capital to Johnson car. Name Johnson on my man is Kenti Kotoko power, and Johnson, Kokasi, de man. Na Kotoko any part. On what transfer fee bet me aba, Yaba Pene, Yam Pene, say said ye, a brancher, the thing at Richard, Osei Akoto, officially. One appointed it we.
Congratulations.
Said ye, see, at ye, Japan,
The fella man.
Mamma come him now, many you may be informal. Coffee Tompo video. This season, per central midfielders on Bobo League in ma. Na sadia winner. When be your maga's a hype. Japan. As a business, I come to me, calculate hype players. And none were Casa Manchester, Koto, Edison, or Atlanta. Oko, Italia. Top class no Italy, no obo, or Atlanta Begam. Kochakin Saman Grofotro fan who are Bridgeo. Kochaki videos are one more fun who was Sky. Kochaki. I had on a GF for a born in a serious. Now, Japan, thank you, born in a serious on a Sika woman. You need to even pay people to hype the players in the league. And the more be an exam was your account, yes, I'm stadium go heno. I'm power qua. Now branch and a bono body here was a say I'm pa. Mamin Chadi with 1 second.
Nice one.
Play on the wire that you was upon your right to see a car. Do you bow by any name? We are not caricatures. We are not soothsayers. It means you shaman go through no one say. South of Fabus, your penny bar. Say no Baba born there be, but there was a penny bob baby on there, meaning tobacco was a
Fantastic.
coffee tompo of Japan, coffee tompo.
Wow. Wow.
Now this is the coffee actually bar central midfielder Jumana, or they are called a different level. wabɔ this season pa deɛ ma bɛkyɛ mu
Nice one.
maka asɛm bi akyerɛ last 2 weeks sɛ yɛbɔ Ghana Premier League ne wie a the very best of players sɛ panyi so ɔmunya deal ɔmkɔ abɔnten saa sɛ mefa hyɛ ɔtirim
Yes.
player bi a ɔyɛ adeɛ wɔ season no biara no yɛbɔ season no wie a ɔmkɔ abɔnten kɔpɛ team ɛbɛtua no ka $5,000 $8,000 $10,000 $15,000 they move out to go and search for greener pastures
Akuma FM 87.9.
abusua so ɔmo anya bia na afei ɔmo atena ha
Yes.
na ɔmo ɔmo wɔ sika wɔ ha no apere ɔmo ho
Pepe.
last week meka kyerɛw sɛ Kofi Tombuo no Asante Kotoko enya set up ne recruitment team no but a lot of people are recommending a branch de ama Asante Kotoko so meka kyerɛw sɛ Kotoko ɛmfa bed nkɔɛ Kotoko nkɔ frɛ obia because Kotoko no ɔmo recruitment drive who even leads the recruitment ɔmo nya mfa ɔmo yɛ but nkurɔfoɔ na recommended ɛna meka kyerɛw sɛ Kotoko ne bɛkyɛm ɛwɔ smooth transfer relationship
Akuma FM.
Asante Kotoko ne bɛkyɛm ɛbɔ transfer sɛ panyi how many times Kotoko ɛpɛ play every bɛkyɛm a Kotoko ɛnya no so yɛwɔ team bia ne deɛ ɔne ne bɔ and Kotoko ɛbɔ transfer sɛ ɔne bɛkyɛm deɛ ɛnyɛ den ɛti meka kyerɛw sɛ Kotoko yɛ interested a ɔmbɛtumi akɔ akɔpɛ Kofi Tombuo
Yeah.
last 2 seasons Asante Kotoko ne